This is not CGI, this is how a giant ship is built.
Millions of parts, thousands of hands, one colossal ship.
Keep it steady. Lower it right there, next to the long stack. Watch the edge.
This one measures exactly 3 millimeters.
Perfect, send it to the blue stack.
With materials ready, the journey inside the factory begins.
Everything in order, driver. You're all set. Appreciate it. Bring it back slow. And stop. Hold for the crane.
Guide it right here. Watch the alignment. Slowly lower it into the bay.
Set the beams down right over there by the yellow markers.
Now, raw materials are ready to enter the heart of ship construction.
Did they finish welding the keel section?
Yeah, the night shift got it done.
Good, let's get moving.
All right, bring it inside slowly.
Bring it down slowly. Watch the clearance on aisle 4.
Every component, now clean and sorted, prepares for transformation.
Here, steel stops being material and starts becoming a ship.
Hold it steady. Lowering slowly now.
All right, easy on the starboard side, clear to lock.
Piece by piece, the ship takes its final shape.
All right, easy now. Watch the port side.
Clear on this side.
Perfect, set it down. Main conduit pressure stable.
Auxiliary systems are green. We are ready for sea trials.
All finishes meet the precision standards. The hull plating alignment is flawless.
Confirmed. Main conduit pressure stable.
Auxiliary systems are green. We are ready for sea trials.
Caliper reading is 30.5. How's the laser alignment?
It's tracking perfectly to the bulkhead. We have a green light.
We have a positive indication here at the flange. Document that pressure drop.
Roger that. Logging the coordinates now.
Monitor the power distribution array during the stress test.
Levels are stable. We have confirmation.
Bring it down slowly. Watch the starboard side. All right, lowering now.
Look at her out there, absolutely perfect.
All the hard work paid off.
Indeed it did. Congratulations, everyone.
All the compliance records are green across the board.
Confirmed. The stress tests look good too.
We can authorize the next phase.
And this is how modern factories produce how a giant ship is built. Complete factory documentary from start to finish.